Do you? Yes, you. Yeah. Do you have an Instagram and you have to take a bunch of pictures and you sometimes run out of ideas? I'm here to tell you that you can do it real quick and real cheap. And let me show you how. So basically, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to Dollar Tree and buy the stuff that I'm gonna tell you. My team was purple. I decided to go with purple everything. And we have this pretty flowy dress. Maybe the best team, it's gonna be a picnic. So this is gonna be the first outfit. It's just like a cute little breezy dress. And I have like, I don't know if you can see it, like, hopefully you can see it. Hopefully I found some purple flower. So I got myself to Dollar Tree and try to find stuff. My initial idea was to do like a cute, pretty picnic vibe. And I wanted to go maybe find something that I could put under a little piece of wood that I had that was gonna be my table. And I found a scarf. And then my eyes stopped by fake lemons. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get the fake lemon. Something gonna come out of this fake lemon stuff. So I grabbed the fake lemon. And then I found some purple flower. And let me tell you, my friend, Dollar Tree flowers, they look real cheap, like real bad. But we'll tell you that if you get those like long like I got, you know what, let me grab it. See, this doesn't even look that fake in picture. The green stuff, yes, but post-production, Lightroom, put down the greens, it looks way better. But these are the best flowers and greenery stuff. They look really cool in picture. It was going with the purple vibe, and the purple thing came in mind because of this purple thing. This was like the idea. I'm like, I want to do a photo shoot with this. And this looked like pretty cute girl vibe. And I went for the picnic. So I wanted to, you know, keep that vibe. And then I had like hair tie and wanted to do like those back pictures. And you can see my bow in the back, all pretty cute. I stumbled into this stuff, the vase, and I'm like, you know what? This is cool for the nice sense. It's gonna look cool, like in the table, little picnic. This picnic, by the way, had no food. I didn't bring food. It was a cute picnic of stuff. So I'm like, you know, this little vase, you put the flowers in here, pretty. I'm gonna hold this, and maybe the lemons will go with the purple. I mean, like, doesn't even, it looks amazing. There's two colors. Anyway, my nails were yellow, so I put the lemons in the little basket. The basket was mine, and I think it, you know, for $5. Yes, I do have a few things that they're not incorporated in this, but anyway. So I wanted to show you, I didn't film it, but I'm gonna explain it to you, how I did the table. Get a piece of table and grab, I'm like looking around to see if I have one close, but anyway, those candles from anywhere, it doesn't matter, as long as they're the same candle, or a jar, or something. Anything, and then put your table on top. That's your little stand. Today was so windy, my friend. It's like, oh my gosh, like when something gonna go wrong, it's gonna go wrong. And the wind was like, I was not having it, but we make it happen. This thing was flying everywhere because there's no way, so I just put like the keys and a can in there just to hold it. I was not feeling at first, like I'm like this outfit. I had the belt on, but the belt was like, oh, I didn't feel good with the belt. The belt was like too tight, it was too put together, it was too leather for this kind of cute vibe, you know, flowy kind of mood that I was going for. So I took that off and just went like that. There are some pictures that are horrible, I did not like whatsoever, but I think it was because the cloud kept changing. Like it was like really windy. I was getting very aggravated, and I have picture with different tones, but nobody's gonna know now. You pick the one you like, you go into the park. There were a few people playing baseball. I got very aggravated at that too. Am I the only one, or you two feel that you want to go outside, you want to create, you want to take pictures, amazing pictures, but you just struggle to find a place where you're just by yourself, like, can just be alone, can I just take my picture, like I just want to create, just let me be, can a girl just take a picture, even though nobody's gonna tell you anything, but I still feel like if you're alone, you just feel more comfortable. I just want you to go and do a photo shoot, anything, and pick a color, and then go to Dollar Tree and put a budget like $5 and try to find stuff that you can incorporate into your outfit look, into your picture, if you like to do mood and vibes and colors like that, and just do it. And you know what, tag me on what you do. I want to see what you create, even if it's the worst, even if it's the best. I want to see what you create. And yes, I'm gonna go and I'll let you go with your life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.